What's up, 803 Whip Games? It's your boy, and I'm back with another video. We up here at Spooner's Pro Shop. Had to stop in, check out Project Monte Carlo SS that the wife just picked up. Overall, good car. Motor wise, transmission wise, everything's there. We're gonna button up a few things on that. But I'm gonna let my boy Spooner tell y'all what's going on and what we got.
We had a little, get the car, we knew we had a little problem here in the back with the frame knob. Somebody made some clearance and didn't put it back together properly. I'm gonna show you real quick what they did, the consequences on the other side, and how we're gonna fix it. Looking here on this one, they cut the frame out and didn't weld anything back in. Beat it, didn't make room for it. And the problem with this situation is when they did this, they didn't cut the wheel tub, but they really didn't gain any access, any more room than they did when the frame was bigger. On the back side here, you see where they cut it and just beat the stuff over with a hammer. So not the way you do a frame notch or the way you finish it off. So, like I say, no extra room here. They still have issues with the tire hitting front, back, and center. And we'll go to the other side. Now this side's been cut out, clearance, getting ready to put our metal back in. But we see right here where we developed the crack in the frame, and we've actually drilled into the crack so we can come in and weld it. But this is the consequence of not putting this thing back properly and putting the plate in there. We've cut out the wheel tub on this one so we can put the bigger tub in it. And now what we'll finish this off with is this plate will go in here. We'll weld that in, get a little tighter. That'll be welded in and everything will be solid. We have to come back in. We're going to reinforce the back side in the area here. They cut the frame too deep back in this side. We're going to fill in some spots there. See where they cut the frame way too deep in that area. So we got to make that up. Then we'll come in and do a mini tub, finish everything out inside there. But without the mini tub, the frame notch does nothing. So you just don't gain the room.
Y'all see it, 803 Whip Games. This the man behind the plan. But y'all knew that. So y'all stay tuned for this. I just wanted to stop by, man, give y'all a little update. So we definitely about to get her right though. So y'all know what this means. When y'all see this hole right here, y'all know what's going up in there. So y'all stay tuned. We about to get her right. Got big cuz in here checking it out.
You think he did that work himself?
I don't know who did it, but man.
Man, just like I was watching Texas Metal the other night, right?
But y'all see it, man.
You watch Texas Metal.
I wanted to give y'all a vlog on the car before he started on it. But we wanted to go ahead and get it knocked out.
From the outside to the inside. They put that bitch up.
Nothing major though, man.
They had the bed and
This is a 1988 Monte Carlo SS, true SS. It don't got the bucket seats in it. It has the it does have a bench seat. Got the bench seat up in here. I got the we got the window pieces or whatever. We're gonna get my I'ma holler at Stitch. See if we can get some carpet dropped in here.
that's crazy.
Holler at Stitch, see if we can get some carpet dropped in this thing. Get us a headliner put up in here.
Everything he did, he put on the ground.
Hey, y'all know, man.
Everything I seen.
Just wanted to give y'all a little update on this thing, man. Monte Carlo SS, this the wife car. We got all new we got new lights. We got the new bottom lights.
What kind of amp that is, bro?
That's about as old as they get. That's as old as my audio box. Crunch.
Yeah, we got the little
Well, I'm saying, I done took that damn
new lights in.
to my baby shop just now. Trying to buy me a power plug.
We got the black door handles gonna go on there.
You got phones, headlights too.
Black door locks. We got some headlights somewhere up in here. You know what I did with that? Oh, here, go right here. Sitting by the trash. Let's move that. Y'all see it, man. We got these headlights going in. Y'all bear with me. But yeah, we got the we got them LEDs. Like get them headlights up in there. Feel me? Yeah, we got them. See how them look. Get them things up in there. Mount it. I get to see. But y'all see it, man. Cooler headlight. Sorry about that 803 WHIPGAMEz. We had a little technical difficulties. But yeah, we got the lights. About to go in, headlights. We got the lower lights about to go in, door locks, door handles. Y'all see it, man. Y'all stay tuned on this bill. Well, it's really not no bill. We about to get this stuff on here. We're gonna get the new wheels on here. And that's gonna be that on that. But man, y'all stay tuned, man. I just thought I'd stop by, show y'all what we had going on with this Monte Carlo SS. It is a female-owned car, my wife. So she said she didn't want me riding, and she ain't had nothing to ride in. So we went and grabbed this for her. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy. We out.
Let the bell